Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making chicken tandoori. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you. So for our ingredients for making our chicken tandoori, we'll be needing our chicken. I'm using whole chicken, but you can use pieces of chicken. And this is our ginger garlic paste. This is our Greek yogurt. This is our chicken powder, salt to taste. And we have all the spices here. This is our curry powder, turmeric, ginger powder. This is our cumin powder. And this is our bell pepper, red bell pepper powder. So it's paprika powder or red bell pepper powder. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our chicken tandoori. It's an Indian style. Yeah. Anytime you are making chicken tandoori, your chicken has to be dry. I took the skin off. It's always important, but if you always prefer the skin, you can leave the skin on it. But for me, it's always so you have to clean it. If there is the excess water on it, just clean it with your paper towel, and that's it. And then I'll add, as I always say, it's always important to add your salt to your meat or your chicken. Then you can really get the taste of salt on your chicken. Go ahead and add our dry ingredients here. Chicken powder, pinch of salt, garlic and ginger paste, I'm going to add half lemon to the paste. The combination of the turmeric, ginger, garlic paste with the curry powder is also smell here. The flavors here are heavy. So we just mix all the ingredients together, and then we go ahead and add it to. Just go ahead and marinate your chicken with it. So we are going to, you can do it overnight, but we are going to let it stand for 3 to 4 hours before we put it in the oven. But you can also do it overnight or a day and put it in your fridge. I'm using the air fryer for the chicken tandoori, but you can also use oven or grill. It's okay, even if you have the traditional oven. That's the best one, but here we don't have it. So just use your air fryer or oven or whatever you have. Nothing is wasted here, you see? See how our chicken tandoori. Our chicken tandoori is almost ready. Wow, so 5 minutes more and then it's done. Our chicken tandoori is ready. We are using this as a bed for the chicken tandoori to make it very nice. This is a garnish. Yeah. Our chicken tandoori is ready, but this particular chicken is very delicious. It can go with rice, anything of your choice. It's very tasty and it's very healthy, and you can use it in any occasion, being Christmas parties, whatever occasion that you are doing, you can use it for it. So thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious sensational chicken tandoori. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that when I make a video, you'll be the first person to know. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my video, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much for always coming along with me. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Afishapa.